First, what should I do if the car key is out of battery and the ignition cannot start? Find the key. There is a signal sign here under the steering wheel. Put the key near here and step on the brake. It can be solved. Second, don't panic when the brakes fail while driving. We can hold the electronic handbrake switch with our hands and the car will stop steadily. Third, if the sunroof encounters rain, you find that it cannot be closed. You pull the sunroof switch down like this and hold it for 10 seconds. The sunroof can be closed. Fourth, which side the triangular arrow on the instrument points to. The fuel tank cap outside the car is on which side of the car body. Fifth, open the child safety lock on the car door, and you will no longer be afraid of children opening the door randomly from inside the car. Sixth, stuck in the car and unable to get out. We just need to climb into the trunk on this rear door panel. Find such a switch, flick it lightly, the trunk will open, and you can escape from here. Is it very practical? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.